Nee man, wat het jy nou?
Kom op, 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 kom op.
Kom op, dis dit.
Hey, Patriots. Ronaldo die man gebring hier, joh. Is jy alright?
Dis 100%. Ek heb Auntie Mary gesê, ek het baie exciting news vir haar. Ek hoop Auntie Mary is tuned in van ek het haar gesê, ek het baie exciting news vir haar vandag. So Auntie Mary, kom op, die live is vir jou.
Kom op mense, ons nie baie tyd, dit is 'n besige dag vir my. Die hond is frik los. Kry so lank jy sing lappie reg. Ooh.
Dis lekker om dan die comments te lees asseblief. Ek wil dit lees.
Kom op, 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 kom op. Die ding ruk, die ding ruk, die ding ruk. Jy sien die ding van Ronaldo. Sy is hier. Sê hallo vir die Patriots.
Salut, salut Patriots, ons staan saam vas.
Sy is hier met die rooi tapuit. Dis alright?
Ons is rustig en ons werk, ons allemaal gaan grond toe. So en dan roep, Bonnie wil roep, kom gaan roep en kom kamer roep.
Alright, roep jy gewoon uit Patriots wat nou grond toe gaan, dat ek hulle kom vraag. Daai daar binne kan hy twee roep geval, hulle is 3. Patriots, dis 'n besige dag vandag, die ding ruk, die ding ruk, die ding ruk, die ding ruk, die ding ruk. PA for life. Ek gaan nou aan iemand voorstel wat maak, ek moet so my vlug mis. Goeiedag, goeiemiddag. Ek jy nou, kom die kan. Kom in, Ek sien die mense op jou kantoor, wat maak die mense hier?
Dis op pad sy in Dam toe pres.
Kom in, come in. Sê hallo vir die mense, sorry, wat is loop pad?
Dis op pad sy in Dam toe, by 6 om met die volunteers te gaan join vir die by-election wat opkom. So hulle is dan vir om Julian te support in Sanandam.
Is dit? Stel jou voor leier en dan sê jy net, dis op die live vandag.
Ek is Rashid Boardin, Ward 44, Cape Metro, en ons is bezig. Dit is op kamer gisteraan. Camille is geslapen, ons slaap en eet PA. So ons gaan Swellendam toe, om vir die mense te wys, daar kom verandering.
Dankie leier.
Hi, ek is Felicity Lamaya, Ward 42, ons bijsa nie. Ons gaan grond toe weer. Swellendam, here we come. We are ready for you people.
Dankie.
Hi, I'm Kanisa Roro from Community Ward 39. Yes, what's by
Alright, why are you speaking English? Look at this course of it. Hey. Yeah, tell the people who you are.
Okay, I'm Kanisa Roro, so Ward 39. Ward 39, we are coming, guys.
You are back to English. Alright. Swellendam, die mense kom.
Salut.
Alright, Patriots. Moet ek eers met die asynlappie sommer klaar toe maak, want ek goed die ander announcements maak. Dan eindig ek met die asynlappie storie.
Die pres kry die asynlappie is in die pad.
Hoe sê jy? Eers die laat ek hoor. Hoe sê jy?
Ons kry die asynlappie is te gou uit die pad uit asseblief. Ons kan nou nie heeltyd met die asynlappie is so
Nee. Hier doen ek my goed is. Patriots, die is hier long live, hier is 'n 20-minute live. Eerste ding is net, die DP, Kenny Kunene, gaan nou ingesweer word. Sit af zo live, hier is dan hier by die live. Sien jy wat jy nou hier by die live is nou? Kenny Kunene is going to be sworn in as a councillor, and we are waiting the decision of the African National Congress. I will explain now why is it that we've taken this drastic decision. Because I think some people I must explain this issue in English for our African patriots. So 3 o'clock today, they're swearing him in as a councillor. No, after you get sworn in as a councillor, it's only then when you can become a MMC. You can't become a MMC if you are not a councillor. So today at 3 o'clock, he's being sworn in as a councillor. That's one. 2 on the agenda. I just need to tell you why we are taking this drastic decision. I'm going to be very quick on that because I want to talk about other stuff. The ANC is our strategic partner. We've got an alliance with them. We are in coalitions with them. We are in government with them, national government with them. So what has happened is that the ANC, without notice, without telling us, we made a deal in city of Joburg that we'll get 2 MMCs, roads and transport, and we will get housing, I think, in Ekurhuleni. Then in Ekurhuleni, they decided that the EFF said they don't want to work with us. Then the ANC ignored the PA there. That's number one. Number two, the IFP wanted to come in and they asked us to give the IFP 1 post, our housing portfolio. We didn't fight because we wanted to make the thing big. And we wanted to make the coalition strong and big. We gave our housing portfolio we gave our housing portfolio to IFP. We were left with only roads and transport. Then this issue of the DP happened. We then said, let's remove the DP in order to protect the coalition so that they mustn't answer questions regarding our DP. We then put in Liam Jacobs. They then said they don't want Liam. And I said, why wouldn't you want Liam? They said, no, he doesn't have experience. I said, number one, Liam's got a master's degree, I think. And Liam comes from Parliament. And there's people that's doing the same job as Liam, they don't even have matric. And I said, I take great exception to the fact that Liam, that the ANC think they can tell us who to put in and who not to put in. We are not a branch of the ANC for them to decide who we should deploy. We have our own deployment committee. Then the ANC said, no, they don't want him. Luckily for them, the case of the deputy president was finished, and we want Liam to come and run for City of Cape Town mayor. We want Liam to show Jordan Hill Lewis wat David die wortels begrawe het. Liam is going to expose what's happening in the Cape because people think the Cape is heaven. It is hell for our people. Now here's where it's getting interesting. If you want to close behind me that blind, thank you. This is where it gets interesting. Now they called us and said they want a meeting, the whole PEC of the ANC. All of them. They said Malema doesn't want us to get roads and transport again. Malema. They want to give the post to Malema. We said Malema. Mal-Emma. Say for ons, Mal-Emma. For ons. I said no. Panyaza was saying to me, no, please. I said, I'm not going to do that. We said, we're not going to do that. Then they removed the PA in Beaufort West. They removed our mayor in Laingsburg. They did this without notifying the Secretary General of the PA. Now we're like, these people are having a silent war against us. Why would you remove, you are in partnership with people. Why would you remove? So I'm telling you facts. Imagine you just wake up. They vote with the DA to remove our mayor. That's all the things that they've been doing. We said, fine. We've been talking to them behind the scenes. We've been talking to them. I've been talking to everyone except the president. Because I don't want to run to the president with issues that we can sort out here. Then we tried everything. We are now, as the president of the PA, I must now wait for a regional leader of another party to make up his mind. A regional leader must now tell the president of the PA, that's not right. I can't have President Cyril Ramaphosa speak to our regional leaders. I said, no, that's fine. If you are going to remove, if you're not going to bring in Deputy President Kenny Kunene, you're not going to fix Ekurhuleni, you're not going to do this stuff. Why is it that we are still in coalition with you? I then said, we are going to withdraw from all our coalitions. But as a leader, it is unfair. You must never, as a leader, ask people to do what you don't want to do. Those people are going to get less now. The speakers, the MECs, they're going to get less. Why am I asking people to stand back while I'm still at the table? It doesn't work like that. So I then said, if they don't appoint, if my people stand back, I must also stand back as a minister. They must think I'm here for blue lights. They think I'm living the high life, not knowing my personal circumstances. So I'm not going to ask Evan to stand back, Sharifa to stand back, Yuna to stand back, all those people to stand back, but I'm not standing back. I can't, I'm not the type of leader. Some of you will say, no, it's short-sighted, don't resign. We are in these problems today because of that type of thinking. Your love for positions makes your tolerance for disrespect very high. We are in this position. In die PA, daar is die van gee maar net wat jy het, Melanie. Ons staan op wat ons besluit. Touch is a move. Ek, as die leier van die PA, I heard somebody says he will never resign, he's bluffing. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. This Tuesday morning, after 7 days, I can't come here and publicly and then word ek weer pap. Then they must have offered me something for me to stay. I'm not that type of a leader. Ek val waar my mense val. Ek staan waar my mense staan. Ek is die type of leader. Julle het te gewoond, julle het leaders wat op die tafel sit en alleen eet op die tafel. I can't expect people to resign, then I still stay there. Tuesday morning, if I don't resign, you must never vote for the PA again. You must never. If I don't resign, the only thing that will make me stay is if his Kenny Kunene is being reinstated. Ek sal julle nooit uitverkoop nie. Julle is gewoond vir uitverkopers. Ek is al 20 jaar in die kansel, maar dat niks verander nie. Ek is al 30 jaar in die politiek. Jy het nog nooit iemand anders aan die se kind werk gegee nie, jy het net so familie werk gegee. Ek is die type leaders nie. And some of you that says no press, we're going to lose out if you leave. Yes, we will lose out, but we will still have our dignity. We will still have our dignity. Vir te lang van die mense, onze mense verpoppe. Die mense in Westbury het die water, maar die squatte camp het water. Zimbabweans kry water. Ek is Dayton McKenzie. Ek sê vir julle vandag, Ek faal waar my mense val. Van die mense, as hulle nonsens van my skryf, dan staan die mense nog steeds met my. So I just thought ek moet hy van my bors afkry. Ek gaan nooit vir jou stuur, dan loop ek agter jy. Ek moet voorloop. Ek moet eers die danger sien. Ek is mos die leier. So to everyone that advise me, press, you're making a big mistake. We can lose. We have been losing. Ons is gewoon vir verloor. Maar een ding wat die PA ons almal gegee het, ons het ons dignity terug. Ek kan alles verloor, but I can't lose our dignity. I can't lose our dignity. We are the only party that can bring black, white, Indian, colored together. So I wanted the patriots to know, because the media is calling me like crazy. If they bring Kenny Kunene back, what they are doing, you don't see what they are doing. They are slowly making people lose respect for me. You attack my people, I do nothing. You attack my people, I do nothing. Come 2026, people will not respect the leadership of the PA, because the leadership of the PA makes them to be disrespected. I've already been approached by 4 parties. Some even called Fadil. Talk to that man, because they know I'm close to Fadil. I want to make it clear here, I'm not those people that were at the PA. Then they leave the PA. Elke dag in die PA vat hulle foto's van my. Elke dag. When they leave the PA, dan hoor jy, hoe sleg is ek. Maar hulle het lyne gestaan om in my pizzas te vat. Ek, President Cyril Ramaphosa, decided to make me a minister. I'm not going to turn against that man, because I'm fighting with his organization. Ek gaat die vote. To all the parties, I want you to know, I'm not going to vote with you in the vote of no confidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa. Ek is nie 'n slang nie. I'm going to vote for Cyril Ramaphosa, even when I'm outside. I need to make that clear. Because ek is loyal. Ek sal nooit in die vote of no confidence. You can offer me, now we can make you deputy president, we can make you this. You can offer me anything. Ek is nie 'n slang in die paradys nie. I want it to be clear, when that vote of no confidence comes, all chances are we'll be outside the coalition. We'll be outside the GNU. But I will vote for Cyril Ramaphosa, and my people will vote at that against MK and EFF. Ons gaan teen julle vote. Ons staan nie vir positions nie. Ons staan for principle. I needed to make that one clear, because my phone, everybody wants a meeting with me, SG. Everybody wants a meeting. So I hope now you know. Jy mors maar jou tyd. There's 56 million people in South Africa. Cyril Ramaphosa chose me to serve on his cabinet. Today, I must turn against that guy. I will not do that. I want you to know. Some even in the ANC that said, yeah, you must blame Ramaphosa. For what? I have access to the president. I never told him about this problem we're facing. I've never run to the president, because I'm also a president. Ek kan nie meer kom 'n klein hondjie hou hier. Help me. Ek lei ook mense. So, the only reason why we will remain is if Kenny Kunene gets reinstated and we start the conversations to sort out everything. So, patriots, I need to tell you that ek is nie 'n slang nie. Some of you burn bridges somewhere. The PA, they're already talking nonsense about me. 2 days party. They're already talking nonsense. That's not how you should be in life. You must love people. Doesn't burn your bridges. Jy moet nooit sê, fonteintjie, gaat nie op jou kom water drink. Jy moet nooit sê, fonteintjie, as jy nou dik gedrink is. Nee. Ek gaat nooit. Look, this patriot says, Barbara Culey, Press Gitman don't resign. So she wants us, my people must be disrespected while I'm sitting with the very same people that disrespect my people. I can never do that. I'm sorry, Patriot. I'm sorry, Patriot. Ik ga nie vir positions. They all think ek staan by die ATM 12 uur per dag as die minister speel en ek by die ATM. Not me. Me. I stand with my people because when the media writes nonsense about me, these are the people that stands with me. My mense staan met my. My mense die water. Ek moet nou lekker sit daar in die kabinet. My mense die werkie. Ek moet lekker sit in die kabinet. Met dieselfde mense. So I never told the president. I spoke to the president yesterday. I didn't tell him about this. I spoke about what's happening in Robben Island. Tomorrow in Robben Island, we are launching the new Robben Island. There will be statues of all the leaders that was on Robben Island. We will have nameplates and a wall of remembrance of all the leaders that was on Robben Island. There's six statues. One of the leader of the ANC, Nelson Mandela. Two, the leader of the PAC, Robert Sobukwe. Three, the leader of the Namibians that was there, Toivo. There's a statue for him too. Four, there's a statue for the Black Consciousness leader, Khotso Siatlulo. And there are two statues, which I said must be there. The only woman that was on Robben Island and she died on Robben Island, Protua, will have a statue tomorrow. Then the first prisoner, Harry the Strandloper, will have a statue. Our people must know our history. We were also part of the struggle. We were also part of the struggle. And tomorrow, the tears were in everybody's eyes this morning when we looked at the statues. Everybody there. You know, I was standing next to Marlon's wife, Rochelle. You could see the tears was in her eyes. Daar was trane in almal se oë. Because we are being told we are not part of the struggle. There's no difference between black people and colored people. We are one people. We are being divided by the system. So tomorrow, we are launching the Wall of Remembrance. Go and see how our people fought for the struggle. It will be on all television stations. Yes. And it will be live. I'm going to give the main speech of courtesy of the president. The president said, you go and give the main speech. He was supposed to give the main speech. Omdat ek teen 'n man soos daai draai, is ek 'n kokkerot. 'n Kokkerot bly in jou huis, maar dan vreet jy jou kos ook nog. Hy bly in jou huis, as jy slaap, dan vreet jy jou kos. Ek is nie 'n kokkerot nie. Lastly, ek kom nou by die Zayn Lappie. Zayn, om die karre start, ons loop hier 5 pas. Start Masakan, next meeting. Is het klaar warm? Alright, dankie Zayn. Ronaldo, kom gou so. I want to give you the honors. You know, Ronaldo is one of the hardest working patriots. She called the SG, said, SG, I want to talk to press. SG said, I'm sending the press tomorrow too. You want to? That's well and done. Talk to him there. Ronaldo, sê vir die mense, vir wie het jy nou hiernatoe gebring vandag?
Mense, onze mense kom huis toe. Hulle het die huis gevind. Rina Minis van TVK, Ward Councillor of Ward 6, TVK.
As jy vir Rina, kyk jy, ek het die naam al gehoor voor ek geweet het. Hulle sê vir my, nee Rina, ons gaan nooit weer dat die vrou nie. Die vrou het vir ons plat geslaan na. Vandag is sy by die huis. Rina sê hallo vir die patriotte.
Baisa julle, ek baisa nie hier nie. Ek is vandag by die Patriotic Alliance vir ons mense, om beter dienste te kan lewer in TVK. Vir wijk 6 mense wil ek sê, julle moet nie baisa nie. Ek kom om al julle almal. Ek kom met die hele gevolg, met die hele branche, so die Zayn Lappies en die hartaanvalle gaan julle kry. Waardeer iemand terwyl jy hom het of haar het, Want daarna as jy hom nie waardeer, dan verloor jy. So one man's trash is another man's treasure.
Amen.
Yes. Anyways, die hond is môre vreeslik los aan week 6. Mooi dag.
Patriots, julle het gehoor. Die is 'n eiste vrou. Ek sê, weet jy, sy wat ek hier instap. Sy sê, "Ooh!" Sy is so lief vir haar man. Sy sê, "Ooh, my man het gesê wat 'n president sal nou kom om vir jou te voor te stel." Sy sê, "Ooh, vat 'n foto vir my man, vir my man, vir my man." Kykie, hier's ons Sam. Now something happened, while we were eating. So the food is there. I traveled with 8 people. I'm like, SG, ek is vrek honger. So this maak julle kos reg. So I arrive at the office because I gotta leave again. So there's Nando's. So ek sê vir haar, kom sit, laat ons eet. Nou sit en eet ek in die raadslid. Sy stil. Hier kom 3 patriotte, die 3 patriotte wat jy hier sien. Die 3. Hulle kom nou in die office in, Ek sê, kom, hou op praat, ben dit groet, kom, hou op groet en vat 'n bord. Toe eet ons nog almal saam. So ons almal saam eet. Sak die slim vrou af. Ek het dit nooit gesien nie. Kenders is klaar mal. Sy sê, Auntie Rina. Kenders is klaar mal hierso. Hoor, Kenders sê, jo. Kykie, dit my Kenders het mis gewerk. Sy het gebly daar. Haskoen mense is mis vandaag. Sy sê, my hart. Ja? Kykie, Kenders het lang my hart.
Kenders, glo dit, is die waarheid. You must believe it. Protocol gaan volg. Want as jy gesê het, ek gaan loop, dan moet leierskap luister. Hulle moet effort insit, want hulle weet wat hulle het. I know my worth. En ek dink in hierdie man se atmosfeer gaan my waarde meer gewys word. Wat dit regtig beteken. Vir die mense op die grond. 'n mens, vir die mense, saam met die mense. Byzani. Salut.
Het jy 'n boodskap vir die mense wat doen?
Ek het 'n boodskap vir almal wat op hierdie live is. Veral vir die mense in Theewaterskloof, in my wijk, sowel as 5 en 9, want hulle glo ook in my. Wil ek vandag sê, ek gaan definitief die regte ding doen, om die hele 3 wijke te roep, en in te lig oor my besluit, om die Patriotic Alliance te verteenwoordig. Ek weet nog nie wat Pres se besluit gaan wees, whether ek weer gaan staan of nie, maar dis sy besluit of hy wil wen of verloor, maar ek is 'n wenproduk. Dis al wat ek weet.
Nee, jy staan. Nee, jy staan. As jy nie staan, moet jy vir ons sê wie moet staan, maar jy staan. Nee, dit is sommer klaar gesê. Jy moet nog dink, jy van die PI, wat ding, is my kans om te staan. Nee. Die is nie die aansien nie. Hier het ons lyn. Hier vat ons lyn.
Nou daar hoor jy, ek gaan lyn vat.
Jy staan.
Ek staan, die plat China staan hier.
Soos hy staan in die Kykie, ek wil vir julle sê, ons het lekker gesels. En nou sê Arina van Siso, sy is like, ek kan nie glo nie. Vat 'n foto daar, sy sê vir jong. Die jong wat hier is, né? Dis jou seun.
Dis gesien, ja.
Kom sê met die mense, hallo. Hallo sien.
Hallo. Kom maar.
DJ Buddha.
Hy sê nie, ons het klaar die man seun het saamkom. 'n Seun gaan altyd saam met sy ma. Ons moet net die pa gedal. Nou, leaders, patriots, sy let iets op, man. Nou vir ons mense, is die nie 'n snaakse ding nie. Hulle sit daar mense, hulle is gewoon vir dit. Sy let op, sy is like, kyk hier, vir seun. Sy sê, vat 'n foto. Vat 'n foto. Van, kyk hoe sit ons met die president en eet, en met ander patriots. Los dit om vir hulle hoog te hou. En ek wil dankie sê vir jou, Renaldo. Jy het met jou eie petrol op en af gery. Hy is die hart van 'n patriot. Sy is nie 'n gatekeeper nie. Sy het kom haal. Ek wil net vir jou sê dankie. Patriots, kan ons net vir haar sê dankie. Groet die Patriots weer.
Salut Patriots, salut. Ons groei die party, gaan grond. Ons al wat ek vra, gaan grond.
Dankie. Hulle sê China. China is 'n grondhond, soos ek. Hoor wat Liede Mary, ons broeder. Hoor wat sy sê. Sy sê, my hart bons van blydskap.
Meyer.
Sy is so bly, sy sê sommer bekendskap, nie blydskap nie. Kyk die spelling. Devanay Steenberg sê, ek moet vir jou sê, hier is wat Komryd die nie. Die sê, hier is wat Komryd, dis Patriot. Devanay Steenberg sê, hier is wat Komryd, ek moet vir jou sê. Dis 'n ander groot hond, hy. So, leiers, hier is 'n klein man wat sê, ek wil aansluit, Dries 11. Mense, bel hulle vir Dries, moet nie baie sê. Dries 11 sê, ek wil aansluit. Die man gooi klaar sy nom op die ding. Nee? Kyk hier, die fout lei. Mense wat die Joburg bel aan klaar vir haar. Is klaar te laat. Ek sien nou die vrou wat die Joburg wat die ANC, ek wil jy haar naam noem nie. Sy het daar nou, sy probeer al heel dit bel. Is klaar te laat. Julle het haar gehad, julle het haar nie waardeer nie. China is nou hier. Sy is weer 'n Komryd, sy is nou 'n Patriot. Die ding ruk. Hier so, ek weet, het gaat mal. Die ding ruk. Kyk, jou phone gaat mal. Die phone spring so. Hulle roofkykers, wat soek hulle hier? Hoe het hulle geweet, sy is oor? Die roofkykers, hoe het hulle geweet? Hoe die mense geweet, ek sien jou phone gaat lelik. Sê maar die mense, dit is by die huis, hulle moet jou maar los.
Dit Batie, wanneer ek sê weer, vat jou harde werkers kop toe. Mense wat op die grond is, met die mense, wanneer hulle 'n probleem het en sê ek het 'n probleem, vat, hoor. Maar julle hoor, maar julle luister nie. Dit is die skill wat 'n mens moet hê.
Amen.
Jy kan nie hoor wat iemand sê, maar jy luister nie. So vandag wil ek sê vir die toekomstige leiers, hoor asseblief en luister. Hoor om te luister na jou mense.
Dankie.
Ek dink, Gayton McKenzie, baie dankie pres, dat jy my welkom het in die huis, waar ek gemaklik voel. Ek hoef nie te wonder, gaan ek die regte Engelse woorde praat nie.
Ja.
Want ek is 'n koisan.
Amen. Jy sien, by die huis, ons is vry. Pie, mense kom julle. Die mense kom julle, ANC mense kom julle huis toe. Hulle moet nie worry oor die nuwe partytjies wat nou opgemaak het, die OT-parties. Moet jy nie worry nie. Facebook en die goedes, moet nie worry nie. Ons is grondhonde. Kyk jy, en ek wil vir die mense van Swellendam, en ek wil die mense van Montague, gister, julle het my 'n lekker tyd gegee. Ek het 'n lekker tyd op die grond gehad. Langeberg, baie dankie. Ek het 'n lekker tyd, weet jy, ek kom huis toe gisterand, ek vat 'n shower, en ek sit met my kop neer. Nee, dus ek weg. Ek staan volgende op, ek dink, jessie, maar ek het 'n lekker tyd gehad. Hier die vrouwmens gaat staan as 'n raadslid, maar sy gaan ook, ek moet dit sommer nou klaar beklemtoon, 'n posisie beklee om ander Patriots te help. Dat's 'n plan. Ons kinderie, sy het jare se ondervinding. Ek het van haar geken wat ek gesê was deur Kali. As die vrou is die beste vrou. Daar Kali papier. Vanessa papier. Sê vir my gisterand, daai vrou wil ek bring, pres. Maar ek bly stil. Ek weet mos hoe my geheim te hou. Ek bly stil. Patriots, ek is so bly, ek gaan of julle 'n joke vertel. Dan moet ek nou gaan na die joke. Dat ek julle 'n goeie joke vertel. Hier. Patriots, ek moet julle 'n goeie joke vertel. Kom in, moenie so staan nie. Hoe gaan dit, leier? Hoe buis as jy daar buitekant?
Ik buis aan die pres, ik sta bij vast.
Stel jou voor en sê die mense wie sy.
Goeiedag julle, ik is Reggie, ik is SRC member, Salut Patriots.
Dankie. Van waar?
Ik is Alpha van Elsen en ik rij om hier bij pres te wees, om pres te zien.
Oh. Hasie van waar? Kykie, die wat sê ons het P geloop en hulle maak die Facebook vol. Thank you for your time at PA. We appreciate you. Enjoy your time at your new party. Die deur is oop. Hulle sê net asseblief hy kralle afhaal.
Remove.
Hulle sê remove die kralle, remove die kralle.
Gladly remove.
Amen. Die kralle is weg. Ons later na ons mense. So, Ricardo Cedrus, ek is op soek na jou. Ricardo Cedrus is een van die mense wat baie hard vir die PA gewerk het. Toe kry jy 'n stroke. Die PA is hoogtyd laat Ricardo se tyd het aangebreek. Ricardo, jy moet die SG kom sien asseblief. Ek wil jou ook sien. Ons is jou baie nodig, Ricardo. Ek dink jy is nog gesond. Ons gaan jou weggooi nie, Ricardo. So, ek wil even julle los deur te sê, want ek moet nog gaan, Patrice. Oh, ek wil sê, ek wil 'n joke vertel. Hulle like jokes en stories, né? Weet, hulle like jokes en stories. Wat ek hier, wat is story wat julle gaan sê, né?
Prescal van Isaiah apology. As dat sê wel Prescal van Isaiah apology.
Sy mal. Hy gin drinkery. Ek sê nie. Kykie, die man, hy het as hy doodgaan, hè. Dan kom jy by die hemel uit, né. Nou in die hemel, wat jy must vervoer het. You must have transport in heaven. So, how you get your transport? They will say to you, you've been married for 5 years. You've only been unfaithful 2 years, 2 times. So then, we will give you a BMW. Then you come to heaven and they say, you've been married for 3 years, you've been unfaithful for 10 years. We're giving you an old Datsun. Then you've been married for 3 months, you've been unfaithful 30 times. Ons geef vir jou 'n ou Golfie wat die stuurwiel is reg nie. Die doorknops is af. Hy is back seatie. So if you are faithful to your wife and your husband, you get a nice car in heaven. So this old man, there's 2 guys, they're standing in the queue, an old man and another man that's like mid-age. The old man goes in, the old man gets, they said, you've been married for 75 years. You have never been unfaithful. You are getting a Rolls Royce. You are even getting your own highway. You also have 4 spare Rolls Royces. Die oud man sê, oh, thank you. Die jong man wat langs hom staan, sê, you have been married for 5 years. And the old man staan nog aan, the old man is standing there, you've been married for 5 years. But you've been unfaithful for 55 times. You are only getting a bicycle. Hey, the guy gets his bicycle. Hey, they are driving there in heaven. One day the guy that got the bicycle, he saw the old man with a Rolls Royce in heaven. But the old man was crying along the road. Heel bitterlik. Die movie hele ry, die hele die stem, Jesus word, kykie, die snort loop, die trane loop, die ou man skit, hy skit soos 'n ou Golfie, die ou man huil, die man met die bicycle sê, nee man, Why are you crying? You got a Rolls Royce. You've got 3 Rolls Royces, my bro. You got your own highway, my bro. I say, Here. Ek het nou net my vrou gesien. Sy ry op 'n skateboard. Sy het nie 'n bicycle gekry nie. Sy het 'n skateboard gekry, my bro. Ai, hulle het 'n skateboard. So, Patriots, I just wanted to give you a Friday laugh. A Friday laugh. Ek is op pad werk toe. Die eerste ding wat Leier China my gesê het, sy sê, Pres, voor ek hier opteken, beloof my jy kom na my area toe. So ek kom TWK toe. Hierdie vrou gaat my bring.
Definitief.
En sy gaan lekker werk aan die Vanessa het my gister gesê, yes, die vrou is Easter. So asseblief, ek moet nog gaan, ek is laat. Ek ry dan met 'n skateboard hier vandag. So, I love you guys, I have to go. SG, you will arrange everything with Leader Eugene, eh?
Ja, die
Oké? Die wat? Wat is die gaf?
Nee, die
Moet je afhalen?
Ja, wat sê die mensen dan op ons net? Dat is lekker die oude.
Oor die oude dingen. Jo, dat wat jij zegt is nog youth. Ja.
Dat is toch een jeugdige mens?
Die dingen zo. Kijk hier. Die historie is. Guys, ik moet nog gaan. Die skateboard wacht weet. I love you guys, hè. Hulle sal nooit ek sien hulle die pegel los, maar as jy op die live, wat soek hulle hier? Hulle ons moet nog geskate, hulle is onze ekse. Salute, I love you guys. We will keep informed, I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll go live on Robben Island. Take care. Baie dankie. Salute. Moenie byzaan nie. Bye bye.